Since posting my review for the Dyson V12, I've been asked the same two questions several times. Does the Illuminated cleaner head, that's the one with the laser, fit the Dyson V11? And does the Dyson V12 fit the Floor Dok that's designed for the V11, V15 and Outsize vacuum cleaners? So the first question, the short answer is no. Unfortunately it doesn't, as demonstrated here using the V11's wand. As for the second question, does the V12 fit the Floor Dok for the V11, V15 and Outsize vacuum cleaners? Well, it's better news on this front, as although the battery may be smaller on the V12, it fits the cradle fine and charges the vacuum cleaner up. So if you're after a Floor Dok that's designed for the V12, then you may want to consider one of these. To see my full review for the Dyson V12 and Dyson Floor Dok, click here, or alternatively on one of the links in the description below. And if you'd like to see more of my reviews, check out my channel and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.